Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the secure boot is not enabled error for Battlefield 6 on PC. Whether your game won't launch because of security settings, or you just want to make sure your system is properly configured for modern games, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Start menu and click on Settings. From there, go to Windows Update and scroll down to select Advanced Options. Then, click on Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, press Restart Now. Your PC will reboot into the Advanced Startup menu. Once the blue options screen appears, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally, UEFI firmware settings. Press Restart again to boot directly into your BIOS or UEFI menu. Next, inside the BIOS, look for a section labeled Boot, Security, or sometimes Device Manager, depending on your motherboard. Find the Secure Boot option, and then change it from disabled to enabled. Double-check to make sure Secure Boot is now turned on. To make the process smoother, make sure you note your BIOS version and motherboard model beforehand, as options can vary slightly. Once Secure Boot is enabled, press F10 to save and exit. Confirm by selecting Yes when prompted, and your PC will restart with the new settings applied. After that, Battlefield 6 should launch without any Secure Boot errors. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll have enabled Secure Boot on your PC and fixed the Battlefield 6 launch issue without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Stack tutorial video. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?